Ahoy, I have received a very interesting invitation. Check this out. We have prepared prices worth $5,000 to stimulate your creativity. I mean, I don't really need the stimulation. I can be creative without really a stimulation. Price is worth of $5,000 just to use the Slypod, the Moza Slypod. I don't think I will. There you are. I'll take both. This video is sponsored by Guts and Moza. This is Moza Slypod E. This is Moza Slypod Pro. Now both are excellent. I'm gonna be using mostly Slypod Pro. What is it? It's a slider. It's a monopod. It can do many things. It's more than a Slypod. I actually reviewed both of them on this channel in the past. I'm gonna link those video reviews below in the video description. I'm going to get creative here in a second. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing, but I think we should first review what the contest is actually all about. Moza Challenge 2021 Creative Video with Slypod is currently open for submissions until 9 a.m. EST time, September 30th, 2021. To win one of the three prizes, here's the first prize, here's the second prize, and here is the third prize. You need to share a 30 to 60 seconds creative video on any of your social media and tag Guts and Moza with the activity tag More Than a Slypod. Video theme is the following: any interesting topic and scene as long as they depend on Slypod. It could be camera gear, a tool, or anything innovative you think it could be in your work, in your daily use, or use it as the fishing pole, or any place that can bring you a unique shot. Exert your imagination and creativity. Keep brainstorming. Make Slypod more than a Slypod. The video must be original and a Slypod series, either Slypod, Slypod E, or Slypod Pro product need to be shown in the video. Judging process will be from 9 a.m. EST time, October 1st to October 7th, 2021. Winner will be announced at 9 a.m. EST time on October 10th, 2021. I'll post a link to this contest below this video. There are also terms and regulations which you need to read before you send anything. When I'm thinking of shots outside of box, well, I could totally get something silly like this. But that's not the direction of this channel, so let me actually show you how I am shooting something which I need for one of my upcoming videos. I need 3 shots to show off this little cup. So let me take you and show you how I'm doing that creative way. There are 2 shots I want to get here. One is just regular coffee beans. What I'm using is the Moza Slypod Pro. I have here main soft light. Those lights will be shut off, and I'm using just this little Iwata master light to light up what's inside of the coffee beans, and I'm sending Insta360 X2 360 camera basically inside of the package and then coming out. Next shot will be shot of this black cup. By the way, this is not a merch. I'm not selling this. This is a gift which was given to me. It's going to be sitting on a table here, surrounded by coffee beans. I have main headlight right here. I have side lights over there. If I didn't have them, I found that it would be very plain. The cup would look very plain, so I decided to put those side lights on. The camera I'm using is Sony a7S III. I have 17 to 28 millimeters lens on. My focal length right now is about 26. I'm fairly close to the cup. I'm gonna be using another light, which I'm gonna be kind of moving around the cup to see if I can come up with some kind of a lighting solution. And then the third clip will be just close up, very, very close up of the cup as it's spinning around. Third and the last shot is ready, and that's the close-up. I'm using exactly the same spot. I only changed the lens to Tamron 28 to 75 millimeters. I have it on fully 75 right now, and all I'm just getting is the signature. I'm using a spinner, so everything is pretty much the same. It's just spinning around and I'm getting a close-up of that signature. Very simple, 3 clips are finished. Let me show you how I am editing the Insta360 clip in the Insta360 clip on a computer, and I'm gonna show you a little bit what I'm doing in Adobe Premiere Pro. For those who are not familiar with 360 camera, the beauty about those cameras is that you basically can choose the view you prefer. So simply drag the screen up and down, left and right in 360 Studio, and you can look around. You can see which angle works for you. For this clip, I just decided to go with a plain forward view. Now we are in Adobe Premiere Pro. First I imported Insta360 clip, which I made turn at the end, and then I added 3 more clips. To make the clip turn, I increased the size to 200, made keyframe on position, scale and rotation, and at the end of the clip, I changed rotation 90 degrees. On this clip, I created a digital zoom in the post by scaling the clip from 100 to 107. And then I downloaded from Storyblock's pre-designed transition, which I placed at the end of the rotation. And I also added 1 more pre-designed transition to make it very glitchy. Very quick edit. Very last step would be color grading. Here is before and after. And now let's just play those little 3 clips together, and let's play the final submission for the Moza contest. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and best of luck to those who will participate in that contest. Ciao, ahoj!